Hi everyone! Most of you are familiar with the 3DSwym application. It allows you to leverage communities to collaborate, share and innovate effectively. But did you know you can now use the personal space feature of the 3DSwym app to not only create content but organize content in a private mode? This new personal space option is available in the Me section of the 3DSwym application. With a community-like look and feel, it lets you privately create posts, ideas, wikis, and redo tasks. Important thing is, this content is only visible to you. You can also use this space to privately work on posts before they are ready for publication. Once finalized, you can forward them to relevant 3DSwym communities and make it available to a wider audience. Additionally, you can use the wiki structure to organize your notes or personal information in a structured and efficient way.